In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to Google Calendar step by step so you can keep your events organized and separate different parts of your life with ease. This is a really useful trick if you want to create a calendar for work, family, school, projects, or anything else you want to track in one place. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once Google Calendar loads, take a look at the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a section called Other Calendars. This is where Google lets you add or manage additional calendars, and it's the area you need for creating a new one. Now, next to Other Calendars, click the plus sign, or if you see it, choose Add Other Calendars. This will open up a menu with a few different options. From that menu, click Create New Calendar. That takes you to the page where you can set up your new calendar from scratch. Now it's time to give your calendar a name. Type in a clear name that will help you recognize it later, such as team schedule, personal goals, content planning, or anything that matches your needs. You can also add an optional description if you want to include extra details, like what the calendar is for or who it belongs to. Once you've filled that out, take a quick moment to double check everything because this will help keep your calendars organized as your account grows. After that, simply click Create Calendar. Google Calendar will save it automatically and your new calendar will now appear in your list of calendars. From there, you can start adding events, changing colors, sharing it with others, or turning notifications on and off depending on how you want to use it, and that's it. You've successfully added a new calendar to Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and keeping your schedule clean and easy to manage. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.